Welcome, my fans. Welcome to this live session with Fadabarto. I want to sing a song, Ihonanya, by Patiobas. N'oge mmụọ dị ihe jiri mara ndị kwere ekwe, ndị mbụ na-eji mara nata anata ibe n'aka, ndị mbụ na-eji oke ịhụnanya ebute ibu dịrị ibe ha, mgbe alaeze bụ ịhụnanya, mgbe okpukpe nwere ịhụnanya, mgbe okpukpe nwere ịhụnanya, mgbe okpukpe nwere ịhụnanya, na ịhụnanya gbara ọsọ n'ụlọ ụka ka nwa ihe chụrụ ya ọsọ, ọ bụ ekworo nke wepụ masị nyere n'iru juru ọsọ, nwanna m na ya na-achụ mmụọ dị na anụ yiri mmụọ, nwanna m na ya jụrụ ya mmụọ si na anụ yiri mmụọ, o bụrụ ọkwa ka na-azụ ma o nwere ọkwa ọgụ ya kasị mma, winner grabs it all n'ụlọ ụka ka ọ kasị mma, when the winner grabs it all he makes the loser's chance too small, when the winner may be ịhụnanya. Welcome everyone to this live session. Okay, so this is live session. Jack, welcome. Want to play? Once to the years, I go wandering once again. Once through the seasons of my youth, I do recall the box of rice that someone gave us. How my mama put the rocks to use. There were rags of many colors. Every piece was small. One I didn't have a coat. It was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together. So in every piece with love, each of my coat of many colors, and I was so proud of it. My mama put me all over that my mama made for me. And the flowers that I wore is so proudly. I know I have no money, but I was rich as I could be. In my coat of many colors that Mama made for me. Okay, everyone here, welcome to my live. Jack, Bipa Crypt. Just wanted to know that you have. Okay, yeah, welcome everyone. Say hi to everyone. I say welcome to all of you. Join my live and share this. I just want us to sing this song by Dolly Parton called Coat of Many Colors. Once through the years, I go wandering once again. Once to the seasons of my youth, I do recall a box of rags that someone gave us. How my mama put the rags to use. There were rags of many colors. Every piece was small, and though I didn't have a coat, it was well down in the fog. Mama sewed the rags together, so in every piece with love, she chose my coat of many colors, and I was so proud of it. Now many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags that I wore it so proudly. Although I have no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags that I wore it so proudly. Although I have no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. So I hurried off to school, posting my shoes, and I hurried off to school. But they made fun of me, but now I could not understand it, why they should laugh at me, and my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags that I wore it so proudly. Although we have no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors, my mama made for me. I want to sing a song. Welcome everyone who is joining. If you are new here, this is Fadabarto, a lover of music, Catholic priest too. And this this hour is just our hour of praise. If you are here, you can tell us where you are watching us from. I'm here in Italy, Rome. Okay, not Rome, but a part of Italy near Milan. And you can tell us where you are watching us from. Blitz, Bipa, Jake, everyone, welcome. I want to sing in my own language. I'm an African, and this is one of our language, Igbo language. I want to sing this song. Is Eonaya. Eonaya means simply love. And the song says, in the olden times, the Christians know themselves by the love they share. So even if you don't understand the language, what you have to know is that English, Igbo, music is a universal language. Se non capisci quando che cos'è abbiamo detto, ho detto che vorrei cantare una canzone Igbo dal Nigeria, Africa, dell'Est. Ok, questa canzone, this song is about simply love as the virtue we should get. N'oge mmụọ dị ejiri mara ndị kwere ekwe, ndị mbụ na-ejiri mara n'aka, jide n'aka, ndị mbụ na-eji oke ịhụnanya ebute ibu dị n'ime ha, mgbe alaeze bụ olileanya, mgbe okwukwe nwere ịhụnanya. nwanne m na ya na-achụ mmụọ si na mụ yiri mmụọ nwanne m na ya chụga mmụọ si na mụ yiri mmụọ o wee bụrụ ọkwa ka a na-azọ maka o nwere ọkwa ọrụ ya when the winner grabs it up, he makes the loser's chance too small. When the winner grabs it up, makes the loser's chance too small. No, kako kazinjo. No, kako. One year they know why they say no. How my own is there. Abia de no bodo le no ka. How my own is there. Ya baba me we hunanya. Aga makwara ge we hunanya. Kemgbe mbiaroba. Kama huri ya boke hunanya. Kemgbe mbiaroba. Kama huni ya buko onye huni ya karịrị ịhụnanya ya biko biko n'okwu esiri onye huni ya karịrị ịhụnanya ya biko biko n'okwu esiri ya gbawara m egwu ịhụnanya ya gbawara m egwu ịhụnanya ya gbawara m egwu ịhụnanya gbawara ya egwu ịhụnanya gbawara m egwu ịhụnanya gbawara ya egwu ịhụnanya gbawara m egwu ịhụnanya do Chineke nke igwe ị na-apụta ụwa mgbe mmụọ m nọ na nsogbu aga m enye gị ekele ọma ka m ga-enye gị otito ọma ka m ga-enye gị abụ ndị nsọ ka m ga-abụ ibu gosi na ibu chi m gbaghara mmehie Chineke ka nketa oke n'ime gị ọkwa gị si n'ike abụ n'ibu ha There is this song that I love so much by what do you call him? The Videographer. The song says this. After this, I'm going to sing my own personal song. So hang in there. Thank you everyone who is joining. Please, if you are here, say hi. I'm seeing 3 persons here already. So you can say hi and then help to share this video. I want to sing this song and it has a message to pass to me and to you. The song says, there are times when it might seem so endless and it doesn't seem that everything is making sense again. But then, whatever it is, just keep searching. You will see a place that you fit in. There are times when you might feel endless. You can feel the place here you belong. You will find out there is a purpose. It's been there within you all along. Where you're near it, you can almost hear it. It's like a symphony. Just keep listening, and pretty soon you will start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies. Each one of us, oh, is glorious. You will find out that is a purpose. It's been there with you all along. And while you are near it, you can almost hear it. It's like a symphony. Just keep listening, and pretty soon you will start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies in each one of us. Oh, it's glorious. You will find out there is a purpose. It's been there with you all along. They be around you. We start to wake up to the sound that are in their hearts. So amazing what you are all creating. It's like a symphony. Just keep listening, and pretty soon you will start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies. Each one of us, oh, is glorious. Glorious, glorious, glorious. As you build and on you, like a symphony. Just keep listening, and pretty soon you will start to figure out your part. Everyone plays a piece, and there are melodies in each one of us. Oh, it's glorious. So this song has it all. It's about discovering ourselves and our various individual differences. When you feel that you are lost, do not lose heart. Keep on searching, you will find yourself. And when it clicks, you will know. So, this having been done, I want to sing now my own song. My song is the name is Ekwere. There is a friend who goes about doing good. This song, I have produced this for the first time. Is online, Ekwere by Fadabarto, but I wish to doing the remix, but I want to sing it just as it is now. Just listen. It's talking about God, who is a Ekwere means someone who does good for you and continue doing good. It's not a conditioned God that only does good when we have responded so well to Him. No, His goodness on us is not based on our goodness. It's based on His love, His unconditional love for us. So I said, there is a friend who goes about doing good. He is true to His word. He never fails. His name is Ekwere. Ekwere, He who says and does. So let's go. There is a friend who goes about doing good. Jesus is my friend who goes about doing good. He's true to his word. He never fell. Before I continue, please, you can help to share this video. If you are watching me now, please help to share this video so that more other persons will know about this and join in this worship. So I continue again. There is a friend who goes about doing good. Jesus is my friend who goes about doing good. His truth is word. He never fails. And I know he can never fail. He's a faithful God. Ọdịya agbanwe ihe kwuru ka ọ na-eme. Ọ bụ ekwu eme, ọ bụ ka o mee, ọ ka o buru ụzọ nwa. Ekwu eme, ekwu eme, ekwu eme. Our God is a poor man. He's all that continues doing. God of impossibilities, a poor man, ocean divider, a poor man, women maker, a poor man, I got my mama, a poor man, 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 So that is it. God bless you for joining this. All right. So